I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
I'm hugely passionate about Bitcoin games right now, and the reason for this is because they are the easiest way to orange pill people. I went to the Philippines for the Bitcoin retreat that was done by Pouch PH.
They're awesome.
And I don't know if anyone remembers, but Axie Infinity was really huge in the Philippines. Some people even sold property. They took out a loan just to play Axie Infinity to generate that source of income for themselves and their family. And a lot of them made a lot of money. But when Axie Infinity went down, it literally ruined a lot of families. It was traumatic. But one thing that I realized when going to the Philippines is that there's still this interest in games. It's just such a natural way to just get people into Bitcoin. What this literally did is to create this new opportunity for people here. One, if you play Bitcoin games, you can withdraw your Bitcoin rewards into your local currency, which is really great. The second way, which is something that I'm particularly excited about, is that someone in Africa can be a gamer and literally use Zebedee Streamer, that tool, on their live stream on Twitch and get tips in Bitcoin. And they can withdraw those tips into their local currency. There was one time I streamed and I got 16,000 sats. Now, it might not be much, right? That's probably about $4, less than $5. But when I converted that into my local currency, that's the Nigerian Naira, it was 3,444 Naira. With 3,444 Naira, you could do a lot. I think this is just really huge, especially for developing countries, because people don't imagine that something big like that could come out from gaming. And hence I talk about it a lot, because I feel like this is a niche that not many people are looking into, but it has huge potential, not only to onboard people into Bitcoin, but also create this sense of hope. Like in Nigeria, PayPal doesn't work. So even if you were streaming on Twitch, if you stream for 6 hours, be a Twitch partner or whatever, you cannot take your money out of Twitch. Literally impossible. And turns out that the top 2,000 Twitch streamers get a minimum wage from Twitch. I mean, that's literally crazy, right? But with Bitcoin now, you can have different opportunity to get more. I know it's not about the money, but it just literally expands your thinking on how far it could go. And I think we're just at the beginning. We've not even scratched the surface yet of how far we can take this, We're so used to, I need to have X number of subscribers or followers before I can make any sort of income from my content. With that kind of mindset, you're only creating content for the algorithm, what is trending, which one is more SEO friendly. But with Bitcoin, you can literally create content that you like, and then we as Bitcoiners can vote for the kind of content that we appreciate. Every zap is our vote on whether this piece of content is good or not. And you as a content creator, you now have true freedom to express what you want, because you're not thinking about SEO or not thinking about the algo.